The hidden retirement crisis no one warns you about. Retirement crisis? That's the phrase nobody wants to hear, but millions of people are quietly living in it in 2025. Think about it. You work 40 plus years putting money into savings only to realize that inflation, healthcare, and cost of living eat away at it, everything you've ever built. Retirement plans that look safe on paper are failing in reality. Here's what I've learned. One, content creation equals your modern storefront. Just like Main Street shops once supported families, now your phone is the store. Two, going live. Conversations at scale instead of one coffee meeting at a time. You can talk to hundreds at once. Three, automation. Your silent team. They follow up 24/7, even while you're sleeping. Here's a question for you. Have you ever stopped to calculate if your retirement savings can truly cover 20 to 30 years of living now? Waiting isn't what traps people. Every month of waiting makes it harder to catch up. But starting now, even small, gives you leverage. Drop ready below if you want to see how I'm doing it. And be sure to watch my previous video called How to Break Free from the 9 to 5. The link is inside. You copy and paste it. Don't wait. Don't let the safe plan be the trap. Freedom is possible, but only if you stop waiting. Subscribe, hit the bell, ding, and let's get you free. I'm also here to mentor you step by step, every step of the way.